found something kind of exciting. It's iron. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it like that, can't you? It's got designs on it. Isn't that awesome? It's a bit of history there. Look at that thing. Isn't it gorgeous? Right here finding shark teeth. And then I run across that. It's that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Notice that on the back, just on the front. I like it. Yep, I'd like to find that all day long. Alright, let's go find something. Beach today looking around. Didn't even bring the metal detector, but I found a sea cucumber. Isn't he weird looking? We're going to send you back in the water. Hope you'll live. Alright, later. So I find something else. So we were at the beach yesterday. We were looking for shark teeth, and we found this poor bird. He had a broken wing. Everybody kept walking past him. Nobody cared. And it was just really sad. And here's another picture of him. So we took a towel, we wrapped him up. And my son went and called the people to see if they could find somebody who would take him. We found a bird refuge thing that would come and get him. So they come and got him. And hopefully he's doing just fine. But it's sad that nobody cares about the animals anymore. Nobody cares if a bird's hurt. They just don't care. And it's so sad. So we had to help. We just couldn't leave him there and let him. Because it was kind of lower tide. And when the tide come in, he would have drowned. So that's the story of the little bird nobody cared about. But he's just adorable, isn't he? So, my son and I cared enough to make sure he got some help, and took the time out of our lives of just, being at the beach and whatever, and to be sure and get him some help. So there you go. Well, we found a bird here. His wing's broken. He's not doing too good. Jason tried to get hold of the ranger. I don't know if he did get a hold of him or not. Wrapped him up in a towel. We'll see what we can do with him.